Welcome to this educational video aimed at explaining how to build a strong investment portfolio and benefit from mutual funds to achieve your personal financial goals. We will cover investment concepts and basics, providing practical tips and guidance to help you make informed and enlightened investment decisions. Our focus will be on providing easily understandable information and real-life examples to assist you in building a well-planned and profitable investment strategy. This video will show you what we are going to learn in the next videos. Do not forget to hit the like button to support us making more tutorial. Part 1: The concept and importance of investment. Defining investment and its role in financial growth and achieving personal goals. Emphasizing the importance of early saving and investment for securing a financial future. Part 2: An overview of mutual funds. Defining mutual funds and explaining how they work. Discussing different types of mutual funds and their variations. Highlighting the advantages of investing in mutual funds. Part 3: Building a successful investment portfolio. Setting financial goals and determining the appropriate time frame for achieving them. Diversifying the portfolio and maintaining a balance between different investment assets. Studying risks and evaluating expected returns. Part 4: Maximizing benefits from mutual funds. Understanding the fees and expenses associated with investing in mutual funds. Analyzing historical performance of funds and selecting suitable ones based on your financial goals. Benefiting from cash distributions and reinvestment options. Part 5: Investing in mutual funds, a case study. Presenting practical examples of investing in mutual funds. Analyzing an investment portfolio and explaining how to maximize returns and minimize risks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative and educational content on investing and saving. End reminder. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with new content. We look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.